Getting ready for the AAW Symposium in Portland. Lauren is going to be doing a demonstration, and she's preparing these little practice kits for people to practice their inking. And we decided to make some pieces with some lines and some dots on them to act as guides. And what we're doing is we're doing them on a 40-watt CO2 laser. And I'll show you how we're preparing them. Cut some marks where I'd like to center the piece of wood, and it lets me adjust it a little bit. And there's going to be a combination of a cut move and a raster move, a scan move. So this way we get the concentric circles and the little dots. And the reason we're doing 24 dots here is because it's very useful. Much like on a lathe, most lathes have 24 index spots. This will let us divide this by 12 or 8 or 6 or 4 or 3 or 2. So 24 is a useful thing. And here's a version that doesn't have the dots in the center and is run much slower, so that instead of having a very faint outline of the concentric circles, we get a sharp outline. You might also see some of the smoke coming up and being evacuated by the exhaust fan.